First, I'm running my code. It asks for questions and we have to answer it yes or no. Suppose if one of the questions is no, it returns the grade as 0. If it satisfies all the yes questions, it asks for the questions of how many points. Was for the question was the assignment late? If the answer is no, it exits out of the loop and gives us the grade. Suppose if the assignment was submitted late, it asks for the question how many hours and less is 1% of the total grade. If the condition is no, how it exits out of the condition and returns 0. First, it evaluates the compute grade function. In this, for the first condition, it checks the correct file function. Here we get the input yes or no from the user, and also checks if it is yes, it returns true, and if it is no, it returns false. If it is false, in the if not false condition, it returns 0. If it is yes, it just skips the condition and goes on to check the next condition. The input function just returns the user's input as string, but if you use the int function, it returns the string as an integer, or if you use float, it returns as a float. If you use print grade, it just prints out the answer and cannot be used anywhere else. But if you use the return grade, it stores the answer as an integer in the grade variable. In this code, I have used one main function and 5 helper function. With these series of if statements, it checks the each helper function. If none of the helper function satisfies, it goes on to check these evaluate grade function. In this evaluate grade function, I have calculated all the points scored, and also if there is late submission, I have less the late submission penalty. So this is the overall structure of this code.